Hey guys, out here in the garage with a little better light. Now as you can see we have the Victor. We did a video last night. It was in the dark, but it was lit, it was burning, and it was great. I was the first inaugural light of its restoration. Well, let's go into some details. As you can see here in this better light, I left this burner fairly dark. Why? I'm like, why don't you want to see the bright, shiny brass? It's so pretty. Well, brass is pretty. I'm not going to debate that. But I think it would outshine the raw metal finish, and I wanted to keep it an antique look. I wanted to say, hey, I earned this. I've been through a lot. I've been through quite a bit of history. So I respect that. And I just, took it down a little bit. I cleaned it up so you see a little bit of coloring coming through so you can tell that it is a different metal than the steel or tin. Anyways, did a little bit on the cap. You can't really tell. I polished up this thumb wheel for the wick adjustment so you could see the R.E. Dietz emboss on there. So it's good, but you got some good solder joints here, and I polished those up. They're silver solder, 19th century style. I got some good polish going on in the air tube, so they have a nice slight reflective quality to them, so they do appear as metal and not, charcoal. Anyways, this is just great because it says number 0 tubular, well, number 0 for number 0 tubular on the back, New York, USA, Victor. So this could predate 1897, could be 1895. But I can't tell because the stamp on the neck there on the center air tube is not legible, so the rust kind of eroded those away. Even though the rust is gone, those dates are not very present anymore, so it's a guessing game, but we know generally what period it's from. Without further ado, we did put a new wick in this baby because this old thing, well, look at it, it's tired, it's old, it's had it 90 years or whatever. This thing probably was replaced back in the 20s at least, no later than that. But anyways, out here in the garage having a little smoke here and enjoying a beautiful Saturday. It's gorgeous outside right now. Slight wind, not too hot at all. It's maybe barely 60 degrees. But let's light this. Let's have a good time here. And that's the whole point, right? If you're not having fun, then what's the meaning of it? All right. Something wrong there. I made a boo-boo. Didn't turn the wick up. I ran out of match. Do this one more time here. Stay with me. There we go. Wish not, want not. There we go. That's nice. Ain't that nice? I think that's nice. There we go. Project well done. Took some time because of the colder temperatures. The Evapo-Rust wasn't working as fast, but it took its sweet time, and it was worth the wait. I'm really quite happy with this one. It's nice to see it return.